My GoPro camera just came to a screeching halt. It doesn't have any more capacity in the SanDisk or on the battery. So I'm going hip here. I'm coming out of the Chaparral area where I had lunch, my halfway point, and I want to head back. The Balcones caves. I went there. That was a little bit over half a mile there. All Pinnacles trailhead 3.3 miles. So that's where I'm heading back right now. So here we go. Hello.
Hello.
Butterflies?
Bees.
Oh, bees. Oh, honeybees?
Native bees.
Oh, native bees. Good. You need to keep them, right?
Yeah, we're doing a study on them, and we're at the end of the next few months. We'll see how the bees in the park are doing.
Yeah, the bees are getting killed. A lot of people, I don't know if they're sabotaging these honeybee growers out in the valley. A lot of them have I literally burnt them.
Oh, really?
Competing bees, I guess, because people want about the GMO foods, the anti-GMOs are doing their own crops and they're sabotaging these bee farms. It's amazing.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's terrible. If you read up on it, honeybee farms being attacked, looking on the internet, I bet you it'll show you a couple of cases in the Central Valley especially. That's where I'm living in Stockton. I'm from Stockton.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh, I'll look that up. I just wasn't really aware of that because I'm only focusing on native bees, not the honeybees, but still important.
Well, yeah, especially if you have allergies, eating local clover honey is the best for allergies and stuff.
Oh, really?
They sell it at the farmers markets and things.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, local honey is the best for people if they have allergy problems with teas and stuff.
Oh, cool.
Or a spoonful a day, so they say.
Good to know.
Yeah, always good to know. Take care, dear. Mm-hmm. Oh, she's so sweet. That's so nice to get information from people that are into nature. They give you a ton of information about what makes things work and what studies that are made. She's collecting the native bees here. I guess they're doing a scientific study on their procreation, if they're surviving, what they're being affected by and things. Okay, so I'm going to do this on and off filming here. Right now I'm going to put it on pause and pick it up a little bit later because I don't want to use too much of my battery. Okay, so I'm continuing to do some more videoing here coming around the bend. I don't want to be videoing people coming around the bend, but anyway, this is the west to east trail that I came in. This is what it looks like going west to east. Beautiful. I just can't say enough about the area. I'm not seeing any rock climbers or any rope swingers and crampons and rock climbers and what do you call those things? Carabiners. Not yet. You do see them on Mount Diablo and similar type of mountains and outcroppings that they climb. Maybe it's not as popular down here. Maybe they restrict them at certain times of year. Still warm right now, about in the low 70s. But you hiking up in that sun, you'll be feeling it, every bit of it. Gotta change my socks, put a thinner pair of socks, more for circulation, and I put inserts in my hiking shoes so I'm more comfortable in my hike back. I'm not gonna hike with those thicker socks anymore. Those are only for like a snow boot type of deal. They're just too thick. My feet sweat too much. Let me get a little further in until I get to that little turn off to the Citadel rocks and decide whether I want to go up in there. I don't want to save my energy to get back to pause right now. This is it right now. It's coming up to the area where I have to make a decision whether I decide to take a little side trip up to that little area that goes up towards those Citadel outcroppings, or whether I keep my hands close to my chest and not overdo myself, because I still have 3.5 miles to hike back to the trailhead, and it's at least 30% of it's uphill. So I gotta make a decision here in just a couple of minutes. Look at these beautiful little canyons, really mysterious. Yeah, this is the one that says, let's see what it says. Elephant Rock Citadel, climber access. So take a little picture of that. So I guess it goes, it says carabiner, it has a carabiner there. So it lets people know that if somebody's going to rock climb, this is the area they're going to do it. But they need carabiners and ropes to do it. It's fine. I'm not going to do that. But I will go up a little higher just to see if I get any better shots. Look at this shot right here. Not bad. I'm going to get to the top of here and pick it up again. I'm going to put it on pause. So this is where they let the people go rock climbing up here. The carabine up here on these outcroppings and cliffs and stuff. I was going to walk up here and see how far it takes me. But it says no more hiking here. I guess it's protected land. They don't want people to go over anything there's no trail. So this is where I'm going to have to basically call it quits to go any further. But it is such beautiful country. I don't want to ruin it. What is that? It looks to me like a snake wrapped up behind that branch. Those are maybe this. Okay, they're just jack pine cones. Okay, I thought I saw a scaly fat snake there. Would be interesting to film. Okay. So they say not as many snakes in the winter time. They don't really come out till like spring, till like fall. But as they say. But honestly, I run into them in the fall, even in the rain, when thunderstorms. Getting water, I guess. Going to look for water to drink. Yep. No matter what, you always have to be aware of their habitat. Right here, this is where they come down and get water. Right there, they would slither down this little area to get water in that little still pond. That would be the area to go. Yep, around dusk. Get out of this hot sunshine. This be it right here. Another area to climb up here, I guess, for those that are interested in doing that. But not today, not even on a good day. Okay, so I got to get back to the trail, heading back to the old Pinnacles Trail up here and the Balcones Trail. Okay, I'll pick this up a little bit later on. Do I have a climber up there? I thought I did, but maybe not. Okay, I'll pick this up later on.